Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day here today. We started off with a little rain this morning, but we've got a break right now. And so I'm making me and Calvin, it's called spaghetti salad, and this would be a good spring type salad that you can serve at lunch or any meal you want to. And so my ingredients is bell pepper, tomatoes, red onion, black olives, small pepperonis. This right here is Parmesan cheese, Italian dressing, and this right here is called a salad supreme. And so I also am going to be using a cucumber. All right, and then I have right here 8 ounces of pasta, and it's broken up into thirds. And my water is just about coming to a boil over here, and I'm going to put my pasta in the water and let it cook for about 8 to 9 minutes while I'm cutting up my vegetables. And this is just a half of a recipe, and we're not making the whole recipe, but just like we make it, it'll be put in the description below. So let me put my spaghetti in my water, and this is 8 ounces. Okay, now while that's over there cooking, I'm going to chop up my vegetables. I think the first thing I'm going to do is start on this bell pepper. And I'm going to turn my pasta down just a little bit because it's boiling, I think, too hard. Okay. Okay, so if you want them in smaller pieces, you can, but I wanted mine to show up. Okay, so now then I'm going to start on my tomatoes. And this can be tricky because sometimes tomatoes will squirt you right in the eye.
We cut them long ways.
You want me to cut them long ways?
Yes.
Okay, Kevin's the chef around here, so he says long ways. But really, I don't think it much matters. If they were the grape tomatoes, I'd think cut it long ways. But since these are the cherry tomatoes, but I'm going to cut it long ways because Calvin wants some long ways. Actually, he did tell me to do that before we started, and I forgot. So he was just reminding me. He was very sweet about that. He's not bossy, y'all. Okay. I'm going to give I have 2 more right here, but I'm going to take a break and stir my pasta. Okay. 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 Got those all cut up. I think I'll get a paper towel right here, and I'll just smooth these down here and get this up. All right, so now that I cut my English cucumber right down the middle, so I'm just going to cut it like this now. Okay, I'm cutting these in thin strips. And these vegetables have been washed. Okay. And if y'all need a bigger pasta, you can just double what the recipe is. Okay, those are cut up now. So now I'll do the purple onion. Let's see, I'm going to do this now. I think I'll do it like this. Okay, I'll give this a little chop. Okay, so I got that all cut up now. Here's one that's a little big. I'm just going to take them out. Okay, so now I have my purple onion cut up. So now then I just got to wait till my spaghetti finishes cooking, and then I'll be back and I'll put all of my vegetables in my bowl. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and I've washed and drained my spaghetti noodles, and so I'm going to put them in here in this bowl. And then I'm going to start putting everything in it. I believe I got too big of a bow, don't you, Calvin?
It'd be okay. That would be perfect if we was doing the full recipe.
Yeah.
But since it's just the two of us, a hyper recipe, that'll be fine.
Okay, so now then I'm going to add the Italian dressing. And let's see, I'm going to add about 8 ounces of this. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this salad supreme in it. I'm just going to estimate. Well, I hate those tops when they do that. Okay.
That stuff really smells good, don't it, Marie?
It does. I think that's about enough there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the Parmesan cheese, and it's about 1/4 of a cup. So I'm just going to estimate on this. Okay, and let's see. So I'm going to stir this and get it all mixed in. All those seasonings smell really good. It's got that springtime smell.
It's going to be a good, healthy meal, isn't it, Marie? Except for pasta has a lot of carbs, don't it?
Yeah.
Other than carbs, it's going to be a good, healthy meal.
Yeah, it would be a really good meal on a really hot day. Okay. All right, so I got all of that mixed up now. So I'm going to add my tomatoes, my bell pepper. You can cut your bell pepper up smaller if you don't like it up in large slices. And we cut the cucumbers in 4s. Okay, so now then I'm going to add my onion, my purple onion in. My black olives. If you don't like them, you could even leave those out. Okay. And now I'm going to add in my pepperonis. And let's see, it says to add a cup of them. If you're making it for all of the ingredients, but I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm just going to add about 1/2 cup. Well, like that one. Okay, now then. Okay, so now then I'm going to give this one more stir. There's a lot of pretty colors in here. So I think I'm going to add just a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese on it. Okay, now then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour, and then I'll come back and do the taste test.
Marie, it sure does look good.
Yeah, I think this is going to be a great salad. I'll probably be making this a lot this coming spring and also into the summer. So we'll come back and see how good it is.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
Hi everyone, I'm back, and my spaghetti salad has been in the refrigerator cooling for an hour. So now then I'm going to do the taste test and see how I like this. It's good. I like all those flavors that's in it and that seasoning. I've never used that seasoning before, but it is really good. And I love the way the Italian salad dressing tastes in it. And the cucumbers they're really good and crisp. The olives are good, and the tomatoes and the pepperoni. So this is a good little salad. And if y'all make it, I know you're going to really enjoy it. So I'm going to close out the video now. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And also, I forgot to mention, I made some strawberry shortcake. And so I made it the easy way, really. I used pound cake. And so I just put some strawberries and cream and a little sweet and low in it, and then put some Cool Whip on top. And so I think that's going to make us a really easy little dessert. And we're going to enjoy our bread with this nice butter on it and garlic powder on it. I think this is going to be just a easy little meal, and it's going to be a great meal. So we're really going to enjoy it. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain soul.